Emily was a university student looking for a part-time job. On a local ad board, she found a strange notice. Night security guard needed. Old arcade. 12 a.m., 6 a.m. Pay $500 per night. $500? For just one night? Too good to be true. But Emily was brave. Or maybe just desperate. The arcade was deep in the suburbs. Dusty, dark, and silent. Games like Galactic Hunter, Pizza Frenzy, and Monster Dance lined the walls. Most were broken. The manager, an old man with a limp, handed her a walkie-talkie and said, "Don't let the machines roam. They remember too much." Emily laughed nervously. "You mean don't let people steal the machines?" The man stared at her. "No, I meant what I said." At exactly 12:01 a.m., the arcade lights blinked. Music began to play softly, though she hadn't turned anything on. She walked past a game called Freddy's Forest. Suddenly, its eyes lit up. "Hello, Emily? Want to play a game?" She jumped back. The voice was metallic, robotic. The screen flickered, and an image of a bear appeared, eyes glowing red. She ran to the security room. Inside were old monitors showing grainy footage from the arcade. One by one, she noticed the machines moving. Slowly. Shuffling. Freddy, the bear. Lulu, the dancing rabbit. And Zappo, the electric fox. They weren't plugged in, but they were alive. On the desk was a worn-out manual. Rules to survive the night play music if they come too close. Don't let them see you scared. They only move when you're not looking. Emily tested the speaker button. A lullaby played through the arcade. Freddy froze. Lulu tilted her head. Zappo vanished from the screen. At 2:43 a.m., the power shut off. The screens went black. Emily couldn't see anything, not even her own hands. Suddenly, a whisper. "Emily, Emily, we remember you." She felt a breath on her neck. She turned, swinging her flashlight. Nothing. But then, footprints. Not hers. Clawed, mechanical, and fresh. She remembered a strange door behind the pinball machines. She pushed it open. Inside, wires, old batteries, and blueprints of animatronics. Photos were taped to the wall. Kids, dozens, smiling, but they had red X marks over their faces. In the center, her photo. "But how?" she whispered. Emily realized the arcade was more than a place. It was a trap. The animatronics were built from lost memories, ghosts, tragedies. At 5:57 a.m., Freddy stood outside the security room. 3 minutes left, Emily whispered, holding her breath. "Just 3. She hit the music again. Nothing. Dead battery. Freddy took 1 step forward. Just as Freddy reached the door, ding! The clock hit 6 a.m. The machine stopped. Lights came back on. Music reset. Freddy returned to his booth. Emily, heart racing, stepped out. The old manager was waiting. "You made it," he said. "Most don't." She handed him the walkie-talkie. "I quit." Vocabulary. Recap. Arcade. A place with video game machines. Surveillance. Watching someone or something for security. Animatronics. Robotic figures that move like living beings. Blueprints. Plans for building or designing something. Lullaby. A gentle song to calm or soothe. Useful grammar structures and context. Past continuous tense. The machines were moving without being plugged in. Used to describe ongoing past actions. Conditional sentences, type 1 and 2. If she played the music, the machines would stop. Good for practicing real and unreal conditions. Passive voice. She was given a strange rulebook. Introduces passive sentence construction. Reported speech. The manager said, "You made it." The manager said she had made it. Practice transforming direct to reported speech. Imperatives, don't turn around. Play the music now. Great for command forms.